Introducing Signature Cafe, common for to and fro option machine. It's reliable and easy to maintain. Open the cartoon box and take machine, place one proper surface table. Placed the water can on the top, wait for 2 to 3 minutes. When bubble can stop rising. Connect 3-pin plug to 15 amps power supply, single phase. Switch on the machine behind the door. Remove the white canister and fill the premix. Fix properly. Wait for heating. Ready for make your choice before dispensing. Programming the machine. Stop button long press. Then set this display. Program made will appear. Coffee button increase. Tea button decrease. Half button save. Change next. Stop button every single pressing. The delicious tea and coffee or the touch of a button. Common for to and fro option machine. Contact us if you have any queries.